So it's me again, Teacher Josh. How are you today? Teacher Josh is very happy today. How about you? Are you happy? Are you sad? Or are you excited? Very good. So this time we will continue our lesson. So I want you to look on the screen. But first, let's review what is our letter house. Roof, roof. Ceiling, ceiling. Floor, floor. Basement, basement. Now, I want you to repeat after me. Roof, roof. Ceiling, ceiling. Floor, floor. Basement, basement. So this time, I will teach you how to write letter H using our letter house. But first, let's start with the big letter.
From the roof, draw a straight line down to the floor. And next, from the roof, draw another straight line down to the floor. And draw a line between the two lines from the ceiling from left to right. That will be our big letter H. And now for small letter H. From the roof, draw a straight line down to the floor. And from the ceiling, draw a hook from the ceiling down to the floor. That is the small letter H. Let's do it one more time. Big letter H from the roof down to the floor. And another one from the roof. Draw a straight line down to the floor. And between the two lines, from the ceiling, draw a line from left to right. That is the big letter H. And again, for small letter H. From the roof, draw a straight line down to the floor. And from the ceiling, draw a hook going to the ceiling and down to the floor. Again, this is the small letter H.
Very good, children. So this time,
Teacher Josh want to ask you some question. Can you tell me what letter is this? Very good. And what sound does it make? Very good, children. So together with me, the letter is H. The sound is H. Well done. So this time, Teacher Josh will show you some pictures and you have to tell me the word. Are you ready? Great, so let's begin. What is the word? Very good. So the word is hippo. And next, what word is this? Well done. So the word is happy. Next, what word is this? The word is hot. Well done, children. And next, what word is this? The word is house. Very good, children. And next, what word is this? Well done. So the word is hand. And next, what word is this? The word is hand. Well done, children. And next, what word is this? The word is hair. And last but not the least, what word is this? Very good. The word is hamburger.
So that will be all for today, children. But hold on, before we end our class, I want you to stand up. Do you still remember the song? The English lesson is over. That's so come on, let's sing with Teacher Josh.
The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. The English lesson is over. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.